Welcome to MICRON America, your trusted leader in fastener solutions and machinery. In this video, we will be demonstrating the installation process of a button cover snap cap using the MICRON MD-1 machine and the MICRON TEP-1 machine. First, we will install the top die, which is used only for cutting on the MD-1 machine. Then, place the Teflon board directly on the bottom as shown and place your material on top of the board. Next, take the cutting dies and make sure the sharp edges are facing downward. Then use the machine arm to cut the hole as demonstrated. After completing the cutting process, we will move on to the installation process. Take the pusher and adjust it on the top by turning it as shown. Then place both parts of the bottom die in position. Next, take the top die and place your material over it. Then take the shell, center it directly over the fabric, and push it in using a pusher to ensure it is properly seated inside the opening of the top die. The snap cap includes a bottom backer made of brass aluminum, which sits on the bottom die. On top of that goes a plastic insert with an extended section designed to protect the shell from being crushed. This insert should be placed with the extended side facing upward. Then take your cover, turn it over, and complete the installation by pulling the machine arm as shown. Now we will move on to the snap installation, which we recommend the MICRON TP-1 machine. For this demonstration, we will be using 12.5 mm spring snaps. Therefore, it is recommended to pre-punch a hole using a hole-piercing die. In this case, the cap should be a 15 mm cap size, which goes on the bottom of the TP-1 machine. Insert the bottom adapter and the bottom die, then screw the socket die into the top as demonstrated. Now we will be doing the cap and socket installation. The button cover that was just completed can now sit on the bottom die. Then take the socket and place it into the top die, where it fits directly into position. We will be using a standard material and punching the hole with a small tool to make it fit directly onto the post of the bottom cap. To make it easier to press down on the handle, turn the machine so that its side is facing the side of your body. Slightly lean over it, then punch the hole. Now for the post and stud application, remove the previous dies. Install the stud die along with the post die. The post sits on the bottom and the stud goes on the top die. Then make a hole in your fabric with a small tool. Fit the hole in the stud and press down on the machine's arm. The snap installation is now complete. For any inquiries or general questions, please contact us at info@micronamerica.com or call us at 973-278-4100. You can also visit our website at micronamerica.com for more information. MICRON America. Quality is our priority.